Hello, my name is Liz Herrera, and this is my evidence 2 proposal question for the individual reflection video for the course Obtaining Nanomaterials, Organic and Bioorganic Materials. Here's the question I was assigned to. It says, a researcher is trying to monitor a chemical reaction by the TLC method. Given below are the schematic images of the TLC papers that she already used before and at the end of the reaction. Number 1, explain the number of reactants and products if possible. And number 2, estimate and explain the yield of the reaction, if it's complete or incomplete. Well, first of all, thin layer chromatography can be used to analyze a chemical reaction. For example, to determine whether the reactants have been consumed and a new product has been formed. We have 3 lanes that we can see on the chromatography plate. One for the limiting reactant, one for the co-spot, and one for the reaction mixture. Okay, so the first part, explain the number of reactants and products if possible. In the thin layer chromatography shown in the question, it can be observed that the presence of that there is a presence of a reagent and a product. As I mentioned before, the stationary phase can be divided into 3 lanes. In the first lane, the left side, the SM side, the limiting reagent is observed. This means a pure sample of the reagent is seen, which in this case is a point indicated as A. In the middle lane, called the co-spot, the reagent can be observed as well as a mixture of the products, which are located one above other. And finally, in the third lane, the RM section, the mixture of the product is seen. In this example, it's the point B. And the second part, it is also possible to monitor a reaction by a thin layer chromatography with the objective of noticing the disappearance of the limiting reagent in the reaction mixture line and the appearance of a new product. The chromatography shown in the question, it is observed that in the RM section, only point B is found. This indicating that the limiting reagent has been used up and the product has been formed. Therefore, the reaction has been completed, the yield is complete. Thank you, and here's the reference for my work. Thank you.